Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Vintage Tractor. Today we're going to roll the clip of the Durham Fall Fair antique tractor pull where my drone had an incident, we'll call it. I've got the actual crash footage as well as a photo of me down in the creek and how far up the tree this thing was. I will try and isolate it. And how we ended, it actually stayed there for the whole night. And my cousin, which you've seen in a bunch of my videos as well, Ryan, he ended up climbing the tree all the way up there to get the thing. I had a new drone on order. This guy does not like heights. Not my thing. But without further ado, let's roll the intro. Well, I hope you enjoyed a little bit of a laugh at my stupidity or my misfortune, I guess you could say. But lesson learned. I mean, we haven't had the drone very long, and make sure you plan out your flight path, otherwise it could get real expensive. So luckily we were able to save our drone, and lives to see another day, and it's shot film since then, so it's all good. Until next time, if you could hit that like button, subscribe button, drop a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you, and stay safe and take care.